What's up, y'all? This is your girl Mama, and I'm coming to you today with another video. Today we're going to be doing the no makeup look, which is my go-to look, y'all. So we're going to start off by priming my face with the Decay Vitamin B6 Infused Complexion Primer Spray. I love using this spray. Pretty much what it does is it takes all the oils out of my face as well as help reduce my pore size. Now onto the eyebrows. I'm going to be taking my Precisely brow pencil and I'm just going to be using the spoolie to spoolie out my eyebrows to just shape them up a little bit before I start to fill them in. After we do this, we're going to be taking the Brow Volume Conditioner Primer. This is also by Benefit Cosmetics. And this is just going to kind of help with the spoolie, going to help shape my eyebrows and keep those little hairs in order because I do need a wax, y'all. So I got to make sure that I keep them just tame because if I don't, my eyebrows going to look a hot mess by the time I'm finished. I'm going to go back in with my Precisely brow pencil. The color I'm using is the color number 4. And we're going to start out by filling in my eyebrows. Now, because this is a no makeup look, I'm not going to make sure that the eyebrows are perfect. I do want them clean, but I don't want them perfect because in the everyday world, if we don't have on makeup, y'all, always remember our eyebrows are not perfect. They're not twins, so they're not always going to be in order. But we are women and we do want to look presentable on a day-to-day basis. So you still want to make sure that they are clean. So I'm sorry, y'all. You can't really see precisely what I'm actually doing. I am filming off my iPhone, so I can't zoom in like I would want to. So if you guys do want to see a step-by-step on how I do my brows, just leave a comment down below and we can definitely get that done for you. Right now what I'm doing is just filling them in. And so I outline, then fill them in, and then I'll go back with the concealer to make sure they're clean and cut, and just shape them up a little bit to make them look more clean. And the concealer that I use to do that is the LA Girl Pro Concealer. This is in the color Fawn. You guys, I have one saying. If you can find a product that's very affordable and is not as high and it don't break your pocket like the high end do, make sure you go and get it. So I use nothing but the LA Girl Pro Concealer. You can get this for like $3 at your beauty supply store, and or you can actually order for Amazon. I actually seen like a set of 3 for like $5. So y'all make sure y'all go pick this up. This is so popular around the beauty community. So pretty much what I'm doing is just outlining, and then I'm going to take a eyeliner brush and I'm just going to blend my brows out, take the concealer, blend it out until my lid, and also blend it out until my forehead, and so I don't look like I got a halo going on the top of my brows, because ladies, that is not cute, and if you're doing it, you need to stop. Make sure you're blending it out completely. Now, if you want a more natural look, one thing that you can vouch for is, one, not doing your eyebrows at all, just using like a setting gel. Or what you can do is, instead of outlining the top brow like I did, just use a foundation or just don't outline it at all. That'll just give you a lot more natural look than the just clean, fresh out the chair look, like you just got it waxed or like you got it threaded, whichever one is your preference, y'all. So after that is nice and blended, we're going to go in with our eyeshadow primer, and today I'll be using Maybelline. This is another drugstore product and it is very affordable. I think I picked this up for like $5, y'all. I'm sorry for that little glitch. My sister walked in, so I had to turn my camera off. But anyway, I'm going to be taking this and we're going to be just putting this all over my lid The downside to this particular primer is you do have to let it sit for 20 seconds. I'm not a big fan of it, but if you're looking for just a really good drugstore primer, this one is it. If you don't mind waiting the little 20 seconds, usually what I would do is I'll just move on to something else before and just go back to my eyelids. So after I apply that primer, I'm going to move on to my face. And today we're going to be using the one and only Benefit Pore Professional. I actually got this little sample in the Sephora Play Box. And I'm going to take this primer and I'm going to be applying it to my T-zone. Because y'all, my face looks like craters, y'all. My pores are so doggone big. I just can't take it. I don't know what I was thinking and where I've been at, but I have not picked up the full size. I need to go get one. I absolutely love this primer. I know I'm taking forever, y'all, but I gotta make sure it's just all over my face. I gotta take my time. The foundation that we're going to be using is the Maybelline Fit Me. This is in the color 338, which is spicy brown. Y'all, if y'all looking for an affordable foundation, this one is going to be it. We are taking our beauty blender. We're going to wet that with their water bottle. That's my favorite water bottle, y'all. And we're going to apply that foundation to our hand, and we're going to take and we're going to just blend that foundation all over our face. And you're also going to take the foundation and blend it also on your eyelids to make sure you have an even skin tone all over your face. Make sure that you're getting under your neck, and also you want to make sure that you take the foundation and move it up onto your hairline. I don't know how many times I've seen women not blend foundation either on their neck or up on their hairline, because you ladies, when you do that, you look like you got a mask on, and that is not cute. You got to blend that in every area that you are showing skin, because even though that foundation is a match, it is going to be a slight shade off, so you will look like you have a mask on. So make sure you get on your neck, and also make sure you get up and around that hairline, especially if you're wearing a bunny or any type of scarf while you're doing your makeup early in the morning getting ready for work. So right now, y'all, I'm just making sure that everything is all blended. I know I'm looking up out of the camera frame. I'm just looking at my vanity mirror just to make sure everything's nice and blended and in order. You know, you don't want no streaks and you don't want no missing spots. So for our concealer today, we'll be using the one and only, y'all, the Fenty Beauty. Rihanna is my girl, y'all. This is my favorite. This is part of the Trios Matchstick. This is in the color Suede. If you are a girl that's around my skin tone, this will be the best concealer for you if you're doing a really natural look, or if you're just doing a no makeup look. I'm taking the concealer and I placed it under my eyes, down the bridge of my nose, on my chin, as well as my forehead. I'm taking the Fenty beauty sponge and I wetted that just like I did my beauty blender, and I'm just going to blend this in. Now this particular concealer does work better with a wet sponge. Just a little advice for you if you decide to go pick it up. Doesn't do so well if it's a dry sponge, so make sure you wet it before you start to blend. But I love this concealer. I use this concealer on a daily basis because it is that bomb, y'all. It is bomb. So now that we are done blending, well, almost done. Y'all see how long it take me? Now that we're done blending, y'all, we're going to set our under eyes and our bridge with the Mercier, the color medium deep loose setting powder. Y'all, when I first tried this, I fell in love with it. I definitely use this on a day-to-day basis. You can either set your under eye with it, or you can set your whole face, whatever is your preference. But right now, all we're doing is setting under our eyes. We're going to set our chin on the top of our lip. We're going to set down the bridge of our nose and our forehead. And we're going to let that baby bake, y'all. We're going to bake that face so we make sure this concealer doesn't crease throughout the day, because that is not cute. So while we're letting that bake, we're going to do our eyes. I'll be using a blush from MAC. It's called Blunt, and I love this blush. It is so versatile. Pretty much the reason why I'm putting it on my eyelid is just to kind of warm my eyelid up and give it a nice flesh tone. You don't have to do this. If you want, you can just stick with either the concealer on the eyelid, or you can just do the foundation. But I like to just have just a little warmth to my face, so that's why I take that particular color and apply that onto my lid. This particular blush can also be used as a contour color if you want to do that as well, but that's not what we're going to be using it for today. Now for my eyes, I will be using the Maybelline's Lash Sensational mascara. I love Maybelline's mascaras, y'all. They are so bomb. I will not be applying any eyeliner because it is just a natural look. So I really want to make sure that I'm looking like I don't have any makeup on, so no eyeliner is needed. I'm not applying lashes. If you want to use lashes, you can definitely do that as well, but I just chose not to on this particular day. I'm going to take a full face brush, and I'm just going to take all that excess powder and brush that off my face. Ooh, y'all, I had stuck myself in my eye. My eye was burning, y'all. That was just not good. OMG. Gotta get that hair out the way. So, y'all, it's time. We need to warm that face up. We're going to be using the Ulta Contour Kit. We're going to be using the Golden Bronze color. This is my everyday, oops, I don't drop my brush. This is my everyday contour color that I use. Basically what I'm doing is I'm just taking this down under the apples of my cheek, and I'm pretty much just warming my face up. I have picked up some weight over the last year, so contour is like, y'all, that's so mandatory for me right now. We're going to go up on our forehead, and as you saw, I also did my nose. And you don't want to use a actual contour brush, because I don't want my nose to just kind of actually slim down. I still want to keep the natural shape. Now, unfortunately, y'all, this particular blush kit that I have, I bought this off eBay like 2 years ago. So it does not have a particular color. So I'm so sorry, y'all. I'm going to have to take that kit to Sephora and see if I can find a blush just similar to that particular color. Because as you saw, I have touch pan. So that is my favorite, y'all. It's my favorite. So we're taking the Missy Lynn palette, and we're going to be using one of her highlighters. I love the highlighters in this particular palette. I use that more so than I actually even use the eyeshadows. Those particular highlighters are beautiful gold, and it looks so beautiful on a woman of color, y'all. I'm taking this, and I'm just going to highlight my cheeks. And my phone does not pick up golds well, and you really cannot see the pigment, and that's mainly because of my vanity lights. But the particular highlight is very pigmented, so pretty much what I'm doing is I'm just keep going back over those particular spots over and over again, so you can kind of get a idea of what it actually looks like up close and in person. I do take that particular highlight and I go under my brow bone, mainly because, y'all, I love highlights. You know, it got you looking like a golden goddess, y'all. Now, we did not forget about them eyebrows, y'all. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to set my eyebrows with this 3D, it's the 3D brow tone from Benefit. and this is in the color number 4, and it's just going to kind of give set those eyebrows. Make sure those eyebrow hairs do not move, because if I don't do this, they will move and my eyebrows will not look the same. I'm gonna go back in with my brow pencil and spoolie out the eyebrows. Y'all, make sure when you're doing your eyebrows that you're spooling them out. I swear to y'all, I don't know how many times I've went to work and I had to use like a paper clip or something, or y'all, yes, I said a paper clip to try to spoolie something out because I forgot, and it's just like looks like a blunt square that is not cute, y'all, not cute. So on my lips today, I will be using a MAC lip gloss in the color Nymphette. Now, unfortunately, this was a part of the Goodbye collection, so they no longer sell this. And this is one of my favorites. It's just a beautiful pink and it has gold undertones. I don't use it that much because it was a Goodbye sale. So like I said, you guys, they no longer sell it. But it's so bomb on this particular look. Now, finally, what we're going to do is we're going to be setting our face with the Urban Decay D Slick. Y'all do not know how much I love this. This is going to keep my face looking flawless all day long, y'all. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye.